Which expression is equivalent to 15a to the 0, b to the second, c to the 34th, multiplied by 3a to the 16th, b to the negative 29th, c to the 0, for all values of a, b, and c where the expression is defined? The first thing I want you to notice in this problem is that we have two coefficients that should be multiplied together. We have a 15 and a 3. Those are my coefficients, and we multiply coefficients. And so 15 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 45. Any answer choices that we see that don't have 45 in them are going to be eliminated. Therefore, A and C are incorrect. The next thing I want you to notice is that we have two things that have a 0 exponent. We have a to the 0 and we have c to the 0. And so what that means is that when we multiply our a's, for example, this and this, we add the exponents, but really this a to the 0 is not even there because it's being replaced as a times 1. So therefore, the only a's we're going to have here are going to be the 16 a's that are located here. And we see that the only answer choice that has a to the 16th is letter D. Same story for the c's. We know that c to the 0 is just 1, and so the only c's that we're going to have in this problem is the c to the 34th that's right here, and we see that in letter D. So I feel pretty confident that the answer is D. But if you're up for it, there's a way to check your answer in Desmos. Since we're already using A, B, and C, we don't need to call them anything else whenever we go over to Desmos. And so if we go over there, we just type in the given expression exactly the way that it is on our paper. Now, if you were working a problem like I have in some other videos where you have X, Y, and Z, you would need to call those other letters in order to be able to do this. B to the negative 29th, C to the 0 power. Now, what we are proposing is that the answer is 45, A to the 16th, C to the 34, over B to the 27th power. Now, the reason Desmos is not giving me anything right there, as you can see, we haven't defined what A, B, or C are. And so we need to come to the next line and say that A is equal to any random number. I would just advise you to put 2. B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 4. At that point, what we notice is that the two values given by these expressions are equivalent, and therefore we should feel very confident now that letter D is the correct answer.